Hello everyone, I'm Maniket and this video is all about a replica of the project that I've created to share my learnings from the project related to Apache Kafka in Spring Boot. So first I'll tell you about the overview of this project that I've created. So this is a producer and I've created it using Spring Boot, and this producer will have an API where we can start consuming stream of data coming from the REST API. So this API will be a stream of random messages coming to the producer. So yeah, and this producer will publish all the events to our Kafka cluster. And we have like brokers, topics, and partition in Kafka cluster. And this is the consumer. For that, I've created a Spring Boot project, and this consumer will subscribe and listen to all our messages coming to a specific topic and insert all these messages to MS SQL Database. Now let's take a look at code where I'll outline all the key steps that I've followed. So I've already started Zookeeper and Kafka server over here. So this new topic object is Kafka specific object that is used to define new topic. It contains details like topic name and number of partitions and replicas over here. And these are the constants from which we pick random messages and sends them to a Kafka broker. And this is a controller with the endpoints that handles get request to the endpoint, and it publishes 10,000 randomly selected messages to the Kafka topic, and it uses Kafka message public service to send the messages. So now let's go to this service. And yeah, so this is the service that handles actual publishing of messages to the Kafka topic. And this method, that is send events message to topic, sends message using Kafka template. This method is designed to handle asynchronous nature of Kafka, providing feedback on whether the message was successfully sent or not. Now let's go into listener. And this service listens to the messages published to a specific Kafka topic and process them by saving them to a database. And this Kafka listener annotation marks the consumer event method as a Kafka message listener. So now let's start this producer and consumer. Okay, so I've started this producer and I'll now hit this API, and yeah, it has started sending messages to Kafka server. And if we go to Offset Explorer and refresh this, change the value to string. So we are able to see all those randomly generated messages over here. And all these three partitions, it's divided. So in partition 1, it's 3169. In second, it's 3156. And in third, it's 3676. If we go to the listener, it has consumed all those randomly generated messages and saved these messages to a database over here. So now let's jump into database. Yeah, and this is it. All these randomly generated messages are saved in the database. And that's all I have. Thanks for watching.